In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload photo in Canva. This is a quick, beginner-friendly walkthrough that will help you bring your own images into any Canva design with confidence. Whether you're working on a social post, a presentation, or a flyer, the process is the same, and I'll share a few handy tips along the way to keep everything smooth. First, open your design in Canva. You can do this from your recent designs on the homepage or by creating a new design with the size you need. Having the design open makes it easy to see exactly where your photo will land and how it fits with the rest of your layout. On the left-hand side of the editor, look for the panel of tools and click Uploads. This is your library for anything you bring in from outside of Canva. If you don't see it right away, scroll through the panel. It sits alongside Elements, Text, and other tabs. Next, click the Upload Files button. This opens a file picker so you can choose what to bring in. You can browse your computer's folders, or, if you've connected cloud storage like Google Drive or Dropbox to your Canva account, you'll see those options as well. Choose the photo you want and confirm. For best results, pick a clear, high-quality image in common formats like JPG or PNG. You'll notice a progress indicator while the file uploads. When it's finished, the image appears as a thumbnail right in the Uploads tab. If you're working with several images, hovering over each thumbnail makes it easy to identify the one you need. Now, place the image onto your design. You can simply click the thumbnail to drop it onto the canvas, or click and drag it to position it precisely. If your layout includes a frame or placeholder, dragging the photo over that area will snap it into place automatically. Once it's on the page, you can resize by dragging the corners, and if you double-click, you can reposition the crop inside the frame for a perfect fit. Keep an eye on alignment guides to keep everything tidy and centered. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.